Hi everyone, it's JJ here and welcome or welcome back to Be Colorful. Today I'm gonna create my box using the Tonic Craft Kit 53. In this way I'll add some ideas to the many you can already find on the internet and in the inspiration section of the Kit 53 on the Tonic Studios website. I don't really like creating boxes. In fact, I'll do this just to say that I used the kit for what it was designed. But from the next video, I'm gonna propose you many ideas to create cards using dies, paper, stamps and products that the kit offers us. And now let's start the creation of a delicate and elegant box. The creation of this box is very simple. According to the instructions, we need two of these figures, which I'm going to die cut on 300 GSM Ivory cardstock. The idea I propose you is to create a box with a clear side. Then I die cut the front with this other die from the kit. On this window I'm going to glue a piece of acetate sheet. I'm using a special heat resistant acetate. In fact, I'll decorate my window with heat embossing. In this way I can use the beautiful and elaborate stamps included in the kit. I put some anti-static powder just to make sure the embossing powder doesn't stick everywhere. Now I can sprinkle the embossing powder. I melt the powder with my embossing tool. Then I also stamp the scalloped oval and 1 of the sentiment of the kit. Melt the powder. And finally I glue the acetate inside the box using the very strong double-sided tape adhesive included in the kit. Next, I start folding following the fold lines impressed by the die. I also apply the double-sided tape adhesive on the flaps. But before assembling the box, I'm going to decorate the interior part with panels of this beautiful pattern paper included in the kit. To create the panels, I use the other dies of the kit. To give a touch of shiny to the box, I spray the golden sparkle spray from the kit. Once dry, I can assemble the box. I closed the box with an ivory satin ribbon and applied a bow created with the cream go green ribbon included in the kit. Now I'm gonna create a tag on the green satin mirror card using 2 dies from the set, one to create the tag and one that emboss the word thanks. I put the tag on one of the 2 ends of the ivory ribbon. I shorten the ends and I finish the box by gluing some square gems included in the kit. And creating a few drops with the green stone drops always included in the kit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I repeat, I don't really like making boxes, so I'm waiting for you at the next video where I will start creating cards to give you some ideas on how to use the kit 53 without having to create boxes. Please leave me a thumbs up and a comment if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I thank you for joining with me. See you next time. Bye bye and be colorful.